In the previous video, we talked about how to pass value from one process to another process. Now in this video, we will talk about what is business object. What is business object? Business object is a diagram which is different from the process diagram, that is nothing but an interface to the application. Business object is basically used to interact with the applications such as Windows application like Excel, Outlook, and web application, Java based application, and mainframe applications. As of now, you have learned how to make decision in process, how to perform calculation, how to store data, and all these things. But that is not the actual process. Actual process starts when we interact with any application and perform some tasks like launch application, login into application, click on any specific button or any elements, or download reports, something like that, log out from that application. So these are the tasks that we perform in the business objects, and these tasks are called action in business objects. And these actions are used in Process Studio to make a complete Blue Prism process. Without interaction with the application, this is a simple process that we just use to perform calculation. Now in the next video, we will discuss about what is Object Studio and how to create a simple object.